Okay, 2 hours into a mechanical lift pump replacement on the cow dog, 6.5 turbo diesel, and the turbo is why it's 2 hours into it. Had to pull the crossover pipe off. Things are just, the turbo is in the way of everything. But doing this video, let me close it and zoom in some here. Doing the video because it's one of those things I always known about, but you never know what someone else does or doesn't know. And let me zoom in more. Okay. I cleaned up the old pump as much as I could to try to find markings, and I cannot find a manufacturer on here. It's got some kind of date stamp thing, or time stamp, but no manufacturer. This is the weep hole. When I was cleaning the solvent tank, you push on it, you can hear it. I was getting bubbles out of there. So that was my problem for sure. That's where it was leaking at. The new one, I've already done the video about it. I'm trying to keep it clean. Delphi. Hopefully you can see that. Same pump. Now, the short arm, where you get, that's the entire throw. That is the one you need for the 6.2 and 6.5 diesel. I don't know about the gas blocks, small blocks or big block Chevys. I don't remember on those. But you need the arm that has no slack, and it's right there. That's it. If you get the one that has the huge take up, you won't get it going. Now, this is what I want to talk about. Make sure you can see this. Yeah. This is the push rod. And it's not focusing. Goes up in the engine block. One end goes against the camshaft. Go back to one. There, now focused. This is the push rod. Up against the camshaft on this side, or a side, doesn't matter which way it goes. I'm going to put it, I got wear marks here, so I'm going to put it this way. And it pushes against the plunger on the pump. This thing has to stay up in the block to get the pump on, but it slides out because it's at an angle. It slides out. Cover this in grease. It's one of those, I wouldn't say a trick, just something I was told. Of course, the old small block, especially in the 60s, you could put your finger on this, hold it up while you put the plate on, and then put the pump in. You could do that. But putting grease on, in fact, the military -20 manuals for the 6.2 and 6.5 diesel says to put grease on this. Put grease on it. It stays up. It's like in the Tom Hanks movie Saving Private Ryan. Make a sticky bomb. Stick it up, put grease on it, put it up in the block, it'll stay. Also, turn the engine until it's as far up as it can go. If you're trying to do it with it all the way out, the pump is never going on. And for this one, the two pump bolts with the turbo in the way, I can feel them, but I can't see them. I got to do this blind. This thing has to be up. So just use grease on this pump, or the push rod. Anyway, and that's the other thing is I found out that, yep, my old pump was bad. That made it so the 2 hours weren't as painful as they could have been. Anyway,